Doing metal work on the box this week. So I'm using this wire wheel to strip off this old sealant and some of this undercoating and loose paint, mainly so I don't gum up sandpaper. I'd go through a lot of sandpaper trying to remove all that garbage. This here cleans itself out, does a pretty good job. I'll still sand all this, but to get all that junk out of the way, this works really good. Well, I'll clean up this mess before I go too much further. But I got everything stripped down. I've got spots like these where the old tonneau cover snaps were that I'll have to weld up. I'm gonna plug these holes. There's bolt holes in here that most of these I will not use. So I need to plug all these up. I'm still gonna put a cap over the end of this here and delete these holes, cap those off both sides. I am really considering taking these off and rigging up a plate inside here with a pin to latch it on the inside instead of on the outside, just to clean that all up. I got an idea how I'm gonna do it. I'll show you when I get to that. But I got all the paint taken off all these spots here. Same thing here, delete this. I may not cap this end but I might. I prepped it so I could. And then I got all the paint. It had a sealer between the fender and the side of the bed here. I had to get all that out, and I'll have to sand all that really well and treat some of this rust. There's surface rust here that I knocked off, but I need to treat all that. And more of the same, more holes to fill, a lot of them. Same over here, cap. So anyhow, that's where we're at. Start doing the metal work here. Not quite hammer and dolly, but it works good. These holes here are all dimpled from the bolts pulling those panels together. So I'm gonna smooth them out. I don't have to deal with problems later. Got all these small screw holes filled in all the way around. It's only about 5 dozen holes in there. And all the way down.
Today I'm taking the day off from working on cars and we're gonna go off-road. Sitting here airing down right now. It's my boy Jeremy's rig. We're gonna take off. Got some other friends heading up into the hills.
I'd say that was the right line. You weren't even close to the tree.
Hi, Dylan. We had a great time running around the woods today. If you like this kind of stuff, check out Dylan's channel. It's Empty Pockets, Off-Road and Overland. Shares a lot of information on off-roading and equipment and things like that. It was nice being able to take some time away from doing shop work and getting out in the woods and enjoying ourselves and with friends and family. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Click the bell. See you next week.